As you may know, Shanghai Library continues in developing a digital humanities platform, insists on using the cutting-edge information technology to help scholars not only get access documents and data what we already have, but the tools as well, to facilitate their teaching and researching, and at the same time to helps itself speeding digital transformation. At this meeting, we will have Dr. Fu Yaming give an introduction on the progress since the last Shanghai Harvard Center meeting in 2018, mainly about what we have done on resource knowledge extraction, embedding knowledge graph, providing universal API services and developing tools integrating to the platform environment. We are trying to integrate seamless HGIS, SNS analysis and visualization capabilities, and a lot of tools for text analytics, image annotation and entity extraction, etc. to our platform. But we are now facing a disruptive challenge. Yes, it's the ChatGPT, or the large language model GPT. It sees the coming of the general artificial intelligence era. I am shocked and super excited about the breakthrough by the ChatGPT, but with great uncertainty. The short-term impact to Chinese digital humanities, i.e. Han Shui, can easily be overestimated, but the long-term impact must not be underestimated. We don't think it's perfect by now, but it's the future. The most direct impact in the short term is, it can greatly improve the accuracy and speed of processing raw materials, such as optical character recognition, named entity recognition, relationship extraction, knowledge graph generation, automatic summarization and distant reading, etc. Many traditional tools and methods will no longer be applicable. They are comprehensively surpassed and covered by large language models based on machine learning algorithms. It can contribute to digital humanities research in a number of ways. Firstly, it can assist researchers in accessing digitized cultural heritage materials, digital archives, databases, digital maps, and other digital resources that are increasingly being used in digital humanities research. GLAM Institution can also provide search, query, and analysis tools in their platform that allow researchers to interact with and query these resources in more effective and efficient ways. Additionally, AI can be used to create digital archives and databases, making it easier for scholars to access and analyze the data they need. Secondly, AI can be very helpful for libraries and museums to digitize and manage their collections. For example, computer vision can be used to automatically digitize old photographs, manuscripts, and other documents, making them easily accessible online for scholars and researchers. AI can also help to organize and classify large collections of data, making it easier for scholars to find relevant information. Additionally, AI can be used to create interactive exhibits and educational materials, providing a more engaging and immersive experience for visitors. Thirdly, AI can be used to develop all kinds of applications as research tools. For example, natural language processing, NLP, can be used to analyze large amounts of text data, such as historical documents, literature, or social media posts. Machine learning can be used to identify patterns and trends in data, while computer vision can be used to analyze visual data, such as artwork or photographs. As AI applications become more sophisticated, they can be programmed to converse with humans, answer questions, and engage in conversations in natural language. This opens up new possibilities for researchers to study human-machine interactions and language use. Of course, GLAM Institution can integrate such tools with their knowledge bases and provide more intelligent services. Finally, AI applications like ChatGPT can also help to democratize access to digital humanities research. By providing instant and intelligent access to digital resources, it can increase accessibility to research materials, automatically finding multiple alternative approaches to penetrate or bypass paywalls, particularly for individuals who might not have access to academic libraries or archives. In the long run, all our approaches for processing ancient Chinese text may lose their meaning. The mega language model has the potential to completely surpass the traditional NLP approaches and bring general AI that can help us get straight to the essence of all kinds of study topics. Traditional Chinese text processing skills, such as sentence reading, word segmentation, lexical annotation, classical to modern Chinese translation, etc., no longer seem necessary. As long as you ask the right questions, the machine can basically give you the answers directly without having to go through any complex procedures. As to whether the machine goes through similar data processing and thinking procedure, we may not know at all. What is more frightening is that the amount of data accumulated to a certain extent, the performance of artificial intelligence will achieve a quantitative to qualitative leap, that is, it seems to have the ability to understand the semantic and deep meaning, even the emotion, of everything, beyond just the understanding and manipulation of symbols. Of course, it will not be easy to achieve these long-term or even short-term goals for ancient Chinese texts. There are two major obstacles that must be overcome that may keep ancient Chinese text processing lagging behind for many years and prevent it from getting a breakthrough. Firstly, the lack of high-quality and large-scale text from traditional Chinese ancient books, the insufficient character set of Chinese language processing, the mixture of simplified and traditional Chinese character types, and the long-tail effect of character occurrence probability are not very friendly for domain adaptation to give transfer learning and fine-tuning for a high-quality Chinese large language models. Secondly, the spirit of openness and cooperation in domestic academic humanities community is not sufficiently acknowledged and appreciated to become a consensus and culture, and cross-border cooperation tend to be more difficult. The accessment of national research funds is mostly oriented to research papers, not to focus on practical projects. Therefore, a new form of decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, i.e., using alliance chain to make the digital resource assets verifiable and traceable, and adopting smart contracts to promote open and equal cooperation, should attract sufficient attention and application. Overall, the impact of AI on the humanities transcends all technologies. Therefore, AI should be an object of digital humanities study, and then as a tool. AI as an object of DH research may disrupt humanities itself, for example by expanding the scope, reaching its content, blurring the boundaries, and so on. There is no doubt that AI can definitely be a valuable tool for digital humanities scholars. AI applications almost can do everything with natural language, even multi-modal capabilities. They can be valuable assistants to GLAM institutions to processing documents and data, and help digital humanities researchers by providing easy access to digital resources, facilitating research, and serving as a powerful research tools. Although there are still many problems with the application of AI, there will be no future for digital humanities without embracing AI.